Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from MEIZU mBlu 21 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Begin by clicking on I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select confirm, continue, allow in first pop-up and allow all in the second one. Then you can click on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, select Send at the bottom left corner of MEIZU and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on MEIZU, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts and files, you need to choose Allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. And if you decided to send any apps, hit OK in the pop-up. Now choose Got It in Here's Some Tip 1 and decide which connection way you wish to use. If you want to scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up. And point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section below, enter the key, and type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. Then hit Receive button and wait. Close all ads. Also start a mass click. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!